guys, so this morning I'm doing a little Warby Parker try on. I love these try on videos, so I thought it'd be really fun to do one for you guys. So here we go. Okay, so this first one is called Lyle English Oak. These are my normal glasses. And I've had these for a couple of years. I just recently got my prescription updated. I don't even know what brand these are. I think I got them at Costco. Okay, so these are the first ones, the Warby Parker ones. You know, I didn't think I was gonna like these, but they're actually pretty cool. I don't know why they're so reflective, but they're actually pretty cute. These are called Francis in Fig Tortoise. Okay, so like these ones are really big, which I would probably choose for like a sunglass. So I don't know that I would wear these every day. But if I was gonna just have like a bunch of different pairs for different styles, these actually aren't bad. I kind of like them. Okay, this next one is called Hues in Fig Tortoise. So same color as the last guys. Okay, I really like these ones. So these ones would definitely be a contender. I think they're probably the closest to my old glasses. They're a little larger than my old glasses, but they are pretty cute. Okay, these ones, my husband wanted me to try these ones. These ones are called Francis in the color Rose Water. So the frames are really light, and I feel like it doesn't really go with my coloring. Like, I feel like it makes my face look, I don't know, washed out or something. Okay, and these ones are Wilkie in the Eastern Bluebird Fade. So they've got the blue at the bottom and then the brown on top. And they're a little bit like thinner. They don't cover so much of my face. I have a fairly like, I don't know, I'm a fairly petite person. So I usually don't wear glasses that are like too overpowering on my face. I don't know why. I tend to choose like a more smaller glass, I guess, or frame rather. So I already ordered these with my prescription in them because I really like them. And I've never had like the two-tone, and they're super comfortable. So I've done, I think this is my third like try on with Warby Parker. And I never bought glasses from them before because I felt like the ones that they sent me to try on, they seemed really like flimsy or almost like chintzy feeling. And I don't know why that is, but I have so many friends that like Warby Parker and have loved getting glasses from them. And so this try on, these ones felt like much better quality to me. So I did decide to go ahead and order, but I also feel like maybe the glasses that they send out to try on, maybe they just like get a little bit abused or bumped up or whatever. So maybe they aren't as like smooth when you open and close them. Maybe that's why they feel a little bit less like quality. So anyway, once I get my new pair, then I'll be able to tell you guys. But that's why in the past, I had done a couple try-ons with Warby Parker, and then I ended up purchasing from another company because I just wasn't sure about the quality of the frames. They also have like a great return policy though, as far as I could tell on their website. So that's something to keep in mind if you wanted to be able to like, you know, more than just a try on, but if you ordered one and then you weren't sure, it looks like they'll take care of you. So that's pretty good. Anyway, that's the Warby Parker try on. Okay, thanks guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye.